In today's video, I'll teach you how to stop Google Lens from accessing the phone gallery. So first of all, open the Google Lens application. You can see over here Google Lens has been opened. Normally, you'll be able to tap on the photo icon and access the phone gallery. If you do not want to give this permission, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on this option, Manage Permissions, that you can see at second. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the app info of Google over here. Tap on this option, permissions, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the bunch of permissions allowed to Google. What you have to do is scroll down. Find this option for photos and videos and tap on it. Now you can see two options, allow, don't allow. Simply tap on this option, don't allow, that you can see on the screen. Now Google Lens will not be able to access the photos and videos of your device. So that is how you stop Google Lens from accessing your phone gallery. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.